Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2017 Escape in Oxford White. It has black cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a hatch. A 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. It's a flex fuel and a front-wheel drive with an automatic transmission. It also has a reverse camera. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. Your lighting controls are located here, and the liftgate release is here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it is your dash controls, cruise control, and sync voice activated system with media controls. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and there's also a menu that you can toggle through. So we can get in there for you. Trip 1, Trip 2, information, settings, and these all have submenus. In the center, you're seeing the temperature outside as well as the time, and your media choices are AM, FM, as well as a CD player. And there's the CD player, volume, and tuner. And down below is where you can change the clock and menu and so forth. There's your hazard lights, and then you have your climate control. You have AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. And then your traction controls located there. You have a USB and 12 volt, automatic select shifter, and electronic parking brake. A couple of cup holders. Your armrest opens up. There's 2 tiers. There's a shallow one. And then when you click to the left, there's the deeper one. Lots of room down there. And you also have a 12 volt. Off to the side is your glove compartment, and up above is your manually dimming rear view mirror. There's also lighting controls, as well as a sunglass holder, and there's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, black door handle, and side view mirror. In the back, there's a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and just below the Ford badge is your backup camera. So when you put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see that in the center LCD screen. And then when you're ready to open up that hatch, you just put your hand in the latch underneath. You can release it from inside, and you have a nice roomy hatch. There's a light off to the side, plus a 12 volt. There's also hooks and some bins. And then when you're ready to close it all up, you simply put your hand in the latch and pull down. Now it's securely closed. You can then lock it all up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. And you can bring down your headrest simply by pushing the button, and then you pull the lever at the base of the seat, and that'll bring it right down. You now have access to the back cargo area. There's anchors on the back of the seat to be able to tether baby seats. And then simply give the seat a push, and it's back into the upright position, and then just flip up the headrest. On the floor, you have all-weather mats for easy cleanup, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center, you're seeing a little bin there, plus a 12 volt. Up above, there's hooks and handles, as well as lighting. Passenger side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. Privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.